Have you ever noticed how your breath changes in stressful situations? This simple yet profound observation is at the heart of a powerful Buddhist teaching, the importance of conscious breathing. In Buddhism, breath is not just a biological function, it is a gateway to mindfulness and tranquility. When we practice conscious breathing, we anchor ourselves in the present moment, allowing us to cultivate calmness amidst chaos. By focusing on our breath, we can break the cycle of anxiety and stress that often dominates our lives. Imagine you're in a hectic meeting or facing a challenging task. Taking a moment to breathe deeply can shift your perspective. Inhale slowly, filling your lungs, then exhale gently, releasing tension. This practice not only calms the mind, but also enhances clarity and focus. Incorporating conscious breathing into your daily routine, whether while commuting, working, or even during breaks, can transform your emotional state and improve your overall well-being. It serves as a reminder that peace is always within reach, waiting for us to embrace it through our breath. Start today and notice how this simple practice can make a profound difference in your life.